The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a national emergency. All regular programming has been suspended at the request of the White House. At noon Eastern Daylight Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected 7 nuclear missiles headed directly for the continental United States, and the following cities will be impacted within 20 minutes: Los Angeles, Seattle, Phoenix, Houston, Chicago, New York City, and Washington, D.C. All residents within a 200-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter immediately.
We apologize for the interruption. There is no actual emergency. This was only a test of the National Emergency Alert System. The missile threat is a hoax. This is a test. This is only a test. We will now resume regular programming.
Broadcast interference.
We apologize for the interruption.